Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your NETGEAR Nighthawk EXS27 BE5000 Wi-Fi 7 extender step by step. We'll cover plugging it in, connecting it to your router, and completing the setup using the Nighthawk app or web browser for ultra-fast Wi-Fi 7 performance. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox the extender. Begin by unboxing your Nighthawk EXS27 extender. Inside the package, you will find the extender. Step 2. Plug in and power on. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Turn it on and wait for the LED indicator to become stable. This means the device is powered and ready for configuration. Step 3. Connect and start setup. Download the NETGEAR Nighthawk app or connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, usually NETGEAR_EXT. Open the app or a browser and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Web interface setup. Connect a device to the EXS27 via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a web browser and go to www.mywifiext.net. Log in using the default credentials or your previously set password. Follow the setup wizard to connect the extender to your main router and configure network settings. Step 5. Position the extender. Once connected, move the extender to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. This placement ensures optimal coverage and performance. Avoid placing it too far from the router, as it needs a strong signal to extend. Step 6. Test and enjoy faster Wi-Fi. After setup, connect your devices to the extended network and run a speed test. You should notice improved coverage, faster speeds, and a more stable connection throughout your home. Your Nighthawk EXS27 BE5000 Wi-Fi 7 extender setup is now complete. Enjoy stronger signals, faster speeds, and seamless connectivity across your home. If you are unable to set up your Nighthawk EXS27 BE5000 Wi-Fi 7 extender or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching, subscribe and see you next time.